Moon Mania, we're going back. Remember the iconic moon landing? That giant leap for mankind that changed history? Well, buckle up, space cadets, because we're heading back to the moon. It's not a rerun. This is Artemis, NASA's brand new lunar adventure, full of excitement. We're talking bigger goals, bolder missions, and way cooler advanced spacesuits. Get ready for a lunar fiesta like never before. Why go back to that dusty old rock, you ask? Well, the moon is far more than just a barren wasteland. For starters, the moon is like a giant science lab in space. It offers a unique environment for scientific experiments that can't be conducted on Earth. It holds secrets about the early solar system. By studying the moon's surface and its geological features, we can uncover clues about the history and evolution of our solar system. We can learn how planets formed, including our own. The moon's untouched surface preserves a record of cosmic events that shaped the planets. Plus, the moon is a perfect pit stop on our way to Mars. Establishing a lunar base can serve as a training ground and a launch pad for deeper space exploration. Think of it as a cosmic gas station and rest area all in one. It provides a place to refuel, rest, and prepare for the long journey ahead to the red planet. The moon isn't just a pretty face, you know. It's loaded with resources. We're talking helium-3, a potential fuel source for clean energy. Imagine powering our planet with moon juice. There's also water ice hiding in those shadowy craters. That's right, moon water. Essential for thirsty astronauts and maybe even rocket fuel someday. The challenges of lunar living. Let's face it, living on the moon won't be a walk in the park. The moon may look serene and beautiful from Earth, but up close, it's a whole different story. The challenges are numerous and daunting. For one, there's the whole breathing thing. The moon has no atmosphere, which means no oxygen. We have to rely entirely on our life support systems to breathe, or lack thereof. That pesky lack of atmosphere means we need some seriously high-tech spacesuits. These suits are not just for show. They are our lifeline, providing us with the necessary oxygen and protection from the harsh lunar environment. And don't even get me started on moon dust. This fine, powdery substance is more than just a nuisance. It gets everywhere, clogs up your equipment, and even makes you sneeze. It's like the glitter of the moon. Once it gets on you, it's almost impossible to get rid of. That stuff gets everywhere, clogs up your equipment, and even makes you sneeze. Imagine trying to clean your equipment after a long day of exploration, only to find it covered in a layer of stubborn lunar dust. It's a constant battle to keep everything functioning properly. But hey, who needs clean spacesuits and easy breathing when you're busy making history, right? Despite all these challenges, the thrill of exploring a new frontier and the opportunity to make groundbreaking discoveries make it all worthwhile. The moon may be a harsh and unforgiving place, but it's also a place of endless possibilities and wonder. Apollo was awesome, no doubt. But Artemis is taking it to the next level. We're talking sustainable lunar living, folks. We're building a lunar gateway, a space station in orbit around the moon. Imagine a lunar commute. And this time, it's not just about planting a flag and coming home. We're talking long-term exploration and scientific discovery. Here's a lunar tidbit for you. Did you know the moon is slowly drifting away from Earth? Don't worry, it's only about 1.5 inches per year. And get this, some scientists think the moon was formed from a giant chunk of Earth that got knocked off billions of years ago. Talk about a rough breakup. One small step for Artemis, one giant leap for humanity. The Artemis mission is a monumental step forward in space exploration, marking a new era for humanity. The Artemis mission isn't just about going back to the moon. It's about establishing a sustainable presence on our nearest celestial neighbor. It's about pushing the boundaries of human exploration. We're not just visiting, we're learning to live and work on another world. It's about inspiring the next generation of scientists, engineers, and dreamers. Imagine the possibilities that will open up for future generations. It's about showing the universe what we're made of, our determination, our ingenuity, and our unyielding spirit. So, let's get this lunar party started. The Artemis mission is a celebration of human achievement and a testament to what we can accomplish together. Because with Artemis, the sky's not the limit, it's just the beginning. The journey to the moon is just the first step in our quest to explore the cosmos.